Mariti, one of the notorious villages in Bushbuck Ridge. Unemployment in the local municipality is significantly high. The local economy has limited job base. Most in this area are relying heavily on remittance for income. This project, a multi-million rand shopping, was going to improve the lives of some from its construction phase to when it's operating. But construction has been halted.
Project le inga emahlweni I timhaka ta ku leswi va nga hi tshembisa swona.
For this project to be halted is because what we were promised 20 years back, it is not what they want to do now. Now they say they want to build RDP houses, and the stands they want to relocate us to are very small compared to the ones that we have. So we refuse to be removed from our homes to be taken to a faraway place because it also affects our children. Schools and clinics are currently close to where we stay, which means we have to pay from our own pockets.
The challenges that we are facing is that the houses are rotten and they have stopped us from fixing the house. Also, the agreement we had before are no longer the same. Now they want to build RDP houses for us while we have bigger houses. The challenges are too much emotionally and physically. People are coming knocking on our doors saying we can't move on their lands because that is their land. They don't have an agreement with the developer.
Another challenge is that we were told that those of us that are affected will be given jobs at the mall, but we can see it won't happen. Matibela Traditional Authority called on the developer to revert to the initial agreement.
The agreement with the developer was that people will be built houses that are similar to the houses that will be demolished. That's where we stand. And even now, that is what I want to see happening. It will be unfair if someone will be removed from a 4 or 5 bedroom house to be built in RDP. I don't agree as a Hoshi. And that was communicated also to the developer, that I want that initial agreement to be implemented as is. That's my take on the matter. And the delegation that is in constant contact with the developer, they are aware of my stance on this matter, and I hope it will be implemented as such. And if people are not, they feel aggrieved by being built RDP houses, I fully understand.
It is envisaged that development will create job opportunities for the locals. Fakude has refuted allegations that the families are being bulldozed.
Alternative. There are evaluations, and if a person doesn't want an RDP, there are evaluations. We will give them the money to go and build the houses that they desire. Now that I hear about the noise, one said she has plans for a double-story house. I don't know whether there's a double-story house in Mariti. And when you called, then I realized there's a problem here. But we're not pushing anyone. It's either they take what government offer and what I chose to add, or they take the money, the sites are allocated, and go and build their own houses.
The concerned families welcome the investment in the area, but not at their expense. They are demanding a fair settlement before they could make way for the shopping complex. Nhlamulo Mabasa, SABC News, Mariti, Bushbuck Ridge.